Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a movie theater. In this video, you will follow a simple and fun story about two friends, Sam and Mina, who go to watch a movie together. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Which kind of movie does Sam say he loves the most? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hey, Mina, over here.
Hi, Sam. Sorry, am I late?
No, you are right on time. I just got here a little early. I like to come early.
Oh, good. I was worried. The train was a little late today.
Don't worry about it at all. So, are you ready to watch a movie today?
Yes, I am very excited. This is a really big movie theater. It looks really nice from the outside.
It is, right? This is my favorite movie theater in the city. I come here almost every week to watch movies.
Every week? You really love movies. That is amazing.
Yes, I love movies so much. What about you, Mina? Do you like movies?
I love movies too, but I usually watch movies at home, on my computer. I don't go to a movie theater very often.
Oh, I see. Watching movies at home is nice too, but the movie theater is special. The big screen and the sound are amazing. Do you watch English movies?
Sometimes I watch English movies, but I always use subtitles. Without subtitles, I cannot understand the story.
That's totally fine. Do you use Japanese subtitles or English subtitles?
I use Japanese subtitles. English subtitles are still a little difficult for me. The words go by too fast.
That makes sense. You know, many people start with subtitles. It is a very good way to learn English.
Really? That is good to hear. I want to watch movies without subtitles someday. That is my dream.
That is a wonderful goal. I believe you can do it. But for today, let's just enjoy the movie. Let's go inside.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, we are inside now. Look at all these movie posters on the wall. They are so colorful. So what kind of movies do you like, Mina?
I like many kinds. What kind of movies do you like, Sam?
I love action movies. You know, movies with a lot of action scenes and car chases. They are so exciting. My heart beats really fast when I watch them.
Action movies are fun. I like them too. What about that poster over there? The one with the people laughing?
Oh, that one? That is a comedy. A comedy is a funny movie. It makes you laugh a lot. When I feel sad, I watch a comedy.
I see. I like comedies too. Laughing makes me feel happy. What about that poster next to it? The one with the man and woman?
That one is a romance. A romance is a love story. Two people fall in love. Romance movies often make people cry.
Oh, I love romance movies. They are so sweet and beautiful. And that dark poster over there, it looks a little scary.
That is a horror movie. Horror movies are scary. They have monsters and ghosts. Do you like scary movies?
No, not really. I don't like horror movies at all. They are too scary for me. I can't sleep after watching them.
I understand. That is okay. Oh, look at this poster here. This is a science fiction movie. Science fiction is about space, robots, and the future. Some people call it sci-fi for short.
Sci-fi? That sounds interesting. I have not watched many science fiction movies. And what is that colorful poster? Is that for children?
That is an animated movie. Animated movies use drawings or computer art to tell a story, but they are not just for children. Many adults enjoy animated movies too.
Oh yes, I love animated movies. They are always so creative. So many choices today. What should we watch?
How about this one? It is an action movie, but it also has some comedy in it. I heard it is really fun and exciting.
An action movie with comedy? That sounds perfect. Let's watch that one.
Great choice. I think we will love it. Okay, now we need to check the showtime. The showtime tells us when the movie starts.
Showtime. That is a useful word. Where can we see the showtime?
Right here. Look at this big board on the wall. It shows all the showtimes for every movie today.
Oh, I see it. There are so many movies playing today. Which one is our movie?
Let me look. Here it is, Star Runners. The next showing is at 5:30, and there is another showing at 7 o'clock.
5:30 is a little too early. We just got here. I want to look around more. What about the 7 o'clock show? Does it really start at 7?
Well, it starts at 7, but they usually show some short ads before the movie, so the movie will probably start at about 7:10 or 7:15.
Oh, I see. So we should be in our seats before 7.
Exactly. The 7 o'clock show is perfect. We still have a lot of time before it starts. So, the movie starts at 7, and it is in theater number 3.
Theater number 3. Got it. The movie starts at 7 in theater number 3. I will remember that.
Good. We have about 1 hour before the next showing. Let's get our tickets first.
Okay, sounds good. Where is the ticket counter?
It is right over there. Come on, follow me.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, welcome to Star Cinema. What can I help you with today?
Hi there. Can I get 2 tickets, please?
Sure thing. Which movie would you like to see?
We would like to see Star Runners, please, for the 7 o'clock show.
Star Runners at 7 o'clock. That is a great movie, very popular right now. That showing is in theater number 3. Let me check the seats for you. Do you have a seat preference?
Do you have 2 seats together in the middle? We like to sit in the middle of the theater, not too close to the screen and not too far.
Let me see. Yes, I have 2 seats together in the middle. Row F, seats 7 and 8. They are right in the center. Is that okay?
That sounds great. We will take those, please.
Wonderful. That will be $24 for 2 adult tickets, $12 each.
Here you go, $24.
Thank you very much. Here are your 2 tickets. Theater number 3, row F, seats 7 and 8. The movie starts at 7 o'clock. Please enjoy the movie.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy!
Sam, look at that. There is a price list on the wall over there. Can we take a look?
Sure. Let's take a look. It shows all the different ticket prices for this theater.
Okay. An adult ticket is $12. That is what we paid, right?
That's right. $12 each. So $24 for 2 adult tickets.
I see. And what is a student ticket? I see it here on the list.
A student ticket is a cheaper ticket for students. If you were a student, you can get a student discount. Students get a discount.
Oh, really? Students get a discount? That is nice. How much is a student ticket?
Let me see. A student ticket is $9. That's $3 cheaper than an adult ticket, but you need to show your student card at the counter.
I see. $3 cheaper. That is a good deal. And what about children? How much is a child ticket?
A child ticket is $6. Children under 12 can get a child ticket. It is half the price of an adult ticket.
Very cheap. That is nice for families. Oh, what is this? Matinee price. What does matinee mean, Sam?
Good question. A matinee is a movie showing in the early afternoon. Matinee shows are usually before 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The matinee price is cheaper than the evening price. Look, it is only $8 for adults during a matinee.
$8? That is really nice. And what about this one? What is a special price day?
Some movie theaters have a special price day. On that day, all tickets are cheaper than usual. For example, at this theater, every Wednesday is a special price day. All tickets are only $7 on Wednesday.
$7? That is the cheapest price. I want to come on a special price day next time.
That is a very smart idea, Mina. I sometimes come on Wednesdays too.
Hi there. Something smells amazing in here. Can I get a medium popcorn, please?
Of course. Would you like butter on your popcorn? We have regular popcorn and popcorn with butter.
Yes, with butter, please. I love butter on my popcorn. You can't watch a movie without buttery popcorn.
I agree completely. Popcorn and movies go together. Anything else for you today? We also have drinks. We have small, medium, and large sizes for our sodas and other drinks.
Yes, please. Can I also get one soda? A large soda, please.
Sure. So that is 1 medium popcorn with butter and 1 large soda. Oh, by the way, would you like a combo instead? The combo comes with a popcorn and a soda together, and it is a little cheaper than buying them separately.
Oh, a combo? That sounds good. How much is the combo?
The medium combo is $11. The popcorn alone is $7, and the large soda alone is $5. So if you buy them separately, that is $12. The combo saves you $1.
That is a good deal. I will take the medium combo then, please.
Good choice. That will be $11, please.
Here you go. $11.
Thank you very much. And here is your medium popcorn with butter and your large soda. Enjoy the movie.
Thank you so much. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat this. Okay, we have our tickets, our popcorn, and our soda. We are all ready for the movie.
Yes. Oh, Sam, I have a question. Does this movie have English subtitles?
I think so. Some movies here have English subtitles. It depends on the showing.
Good.
I want to watch it with English subtitles today. That way I can listen and read the English subtitles at the same time. I think that will help me learn.
That is a really smart way to study English. Listening and reading at the same time helps you understand more. It also helps you learn new words.
I hope so, but sometimes the actors talk very fast. When they talk fast, I cannot understand everything they say.
That is completely normal. Don't worry about that. You don't need to understand every single word. Just try to understand the main idea of each scene. That is good enough.
You think so? Sometimes I feel bad when I don't understand the words. I feel like my English is not good enough.
Don't feel bad at all. Learning a new language takes time. It takes time and a lot of practice. But you are doing great, Mina. Your English is getting better every day. You know, I also watch Japanese movies with subtitles to study Japanese.
Really? You watch Japanese movies to study Japanese?
Yes, I watch Japanese movies and I use Japanese subtitles, but I still cannot understand everything. So we are both still learning. We are in the same situation.
That makes me feel much better. We are both learning together. That is nice.
Exactly. And I promise you, one day you will be able to watch English movies without subtitles. You just need to keep practicing. Watch a little bit of English every day, and your listening will get better and better over time.
One day without subtitles. I really like that idea. I will keep practicing every day, I promise.
That's the right attitude. I'm proud of you, Mina. Now, let's go find our seats. The movie starts in about 10 minutes. Are you ready?
I can't wait. Thank you for bringing me here today, Sam. I am having a really great time.
Of course. I'm really glad you're having fun. Let's go enjoy the movie together.
Yes, let's go.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Which kind of movie does Sam say he loves the most? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.